Why Domino and not somebody else? Their commitment to the canning industry was much stronger than other people we see, and their engineering resources have made what looks like a complicated task a very straightforward integration.
The ability to actually track down the can that got rejected is the major solution that we're providing now with the marriage between Pico and Specs and Domino's printing solution.
The SureCode is a combination drying and coating system that we have built with Domino, and it takes all the mystery out of, is my product dry enough for coating? Is the dust removed enough for coating? And the containers that go through this are going to come out perfect. We have been looking for a company like Domino for years. Their technology is fantastic. It is far beyond what's out there. The two cohesive mindsets creates a fantastic relationship.